What is Orientalism? Orientalism refers to a long tradition of Western representations of the Orient as exotic and non-coeval with the West. The term Orientalism was the title of a 1978 book by Edward Said, which quickly became a landmark in contemporary cultural studies and cast the foundations of post-colonial theory. Said described that Orientalism was a key ingredient in the ideologies underpinning colonialism and imperialism, and in that sense, one of the ideological cornerstones of modernity. Orientalism, Said argued, consisted of a long Western history of tropes and modes of representation of the Orient as exotic in terms of languages, practices, sexuality, power, and religion. Orientalism was driven by the denial of coevalness. Non-Western people were situated outside of the Western present as representatives of an earlier stage of human civilization, which often resulted in the teleological assumption that non-Western societies will and should develop in a similar way as Western societies. In this sense, the West constructed itself as a blueprint for the rest of the world.